April 1st marks the day of tricks, hoaxes, and pranks. April Fool's Day. This mischievous day is celebrated in many countries around the world with people playing practical jokes on each other. But where did this tradition come from? The origins of April Fool's Day are unclear, but it is thought to have started in France in the late 16th century. Prior to 1582, the New Year was celebrated on March 25th. However, when the Gregorian calendar was introduced, the New Year was moved to January 1st. Some people continued to celebrate the New Year on April 1st and were called April Fools by those who followed the new calendar. Today, April Fool's Day is seen as a light-hearted holiday, where people play harmless pranks on each other. In France, for example, children try to stick paper fish onto their friends' backs without them noticing. In Scotland, April Fool's Day lasts 2 days and is known as Huntigout Day. This translates to hunt the cuckoo, and involves sending people on wild goose chases or tricking them into performing ridiculous tasks. In recent years, brands have also gotten in on the April Fool's Day fun. Companies such as Google, Burger King, and BMW have created fake products or announced ridiculous initiatives to get people talking. While some find these pranks funny, others believe that they can be misleading and harmful. It's important to remember that while April Fool's Day can be a lot of fun, pranks should always be harmless and not hurtful. It's also important to consider the feelings of others and not to take things too far. A joke may seem harmless to one person, but it could be hurtful to another. So, what are some harmless April Fool's Day pranks you can play on your friends and family? Here are a few ideas. Fake spider. Cut out a spider shape from paper and attach it to a piece of string. Then, dangle the spider in front of someone's face for a good scare. Cake or soap. Bake a cake or make a batch of brownies, but replace sugar with salt or swap frosting with shaving cream. Watch as your unsuspecting victim takes a bite. Sticky note prank. Cover someone's workspace with sticky notes in different colors or write random messages on them. Fake parking ticket. Create a fake parking ticket and place it on someone's windshield. Watch as they panic before they realize it's just a joke. Air horns. Get an air horn and hide it under someone's chair or cushion. When they sit down, the horn will go off and give them a funny shock. Remember, the key to any successful April Fool's Day prank is to make it harmless, funny, and not too over the top. In conclusion, April Fool's Day is a fun and light-hearted holiday that brings people together through playful pranks and hoaxes. Whether you're sticking paper fish onto people's backs, sending them on wild goose chases, or playing harmless pranks on your friends and family, remember to keep things light and fun. Happy April Fool's Day!